Might be harder to see, but this is where we're staying. Pretty nice area. About to go on a hike. There's a lake right down the street from where we are. Or so.
You have the key?
There's no key.
Oh.
Everybody here in our little bottles here, we actually have vodka.
Hey, for cop, it's just water.
Yeah.
Look at that bird fighting another bird. Up there.
1976. Oh, is that a rabbit? It was.
Oh, we are in nature.
Yeah. I see everybody on here.
I'm like halfway through my drink. How are you?
Even.
Oh man, you almost fell it.
I got both of that, man.
Got it. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Hi, Michelle.
Alright, sit back.
Yeah, that was good. We're done.
We went into the tall grass to catch some Pokemon.
Yeah. The one time I go on field without pants.
Could you give us like a geology, like rundown of this area, if you can?
No, I don't know the geology of this area. So, also I'm becoming an Ego sensei, so I'm just doing the bare minimum. Something like that.
Oh, he's cute.
No.
Thanks.
Hmm?
How is it?
It probably.
Well, there's another.
Graceful.
That was
Very graceful.
Like a
anticlimactic.
Yeah. I've seen worse, man. Don't worry.
Andrew used rock fire.
Yeah. No, Andrew reused rock slide. Let's keep going this way.
I'm gonna switch it to time lapse now.
Who is clenching?
It was a long time.
Man, I don't even know if you could use that bottle.
Okay, yeah. Don't litter though. Let's go.
You wanna run?
No.
Get some blood pumping. Yeah.
There's a reason why I'm fat, man. I don't run.
I'm gay!
Get it! You got a problem with that?
Yo, fuck myself!
Boiling the meat's the longest part. We want it to be nice and tender.
You gotta say like Gordon Ramsay. Tenda.
Nice and tender. And I gotta piss.
You gotta take a piss, man.
I'll hold it in.
Fucking nature,
Dude,
dude.
that's your first person to piss.
GoPro. First person to piss. You don't know if you're pouring water or after taking a piss. It's fine.
I only have my dick out, so it's obviously the
No,
piss.
you're not gonna be fucking filming your dick unless you're doing a porno.
We could do that.
Usually they're a cowboy. Hold on the ground. As far as I can.
Then I threw it on the ground. Oh, how cute.
What the fuck?
Oh, hidoy! Oh no, kawaii. Kawaii desu ne.
Damn, boy, he's sick!
いいね.
Oh!
You clenched.
Yeah, so just me, it's hard to walk, man. So hard to walk.
It's so hard to walk while you're hard.
Walk in front of me.
I want to see up close.
I made it!
Oh, you almost hit the duck, too! You
I
almost,
made it! Fuck
you almost
yeah!
hit that fucking
I made
duck!
What, Brad?
Oh, hey, look at that.
Doubted me. Told you.
Oh,
You didn't hit the duck, though.
it's metamorphosed. Ugh, gross. Being a geologist. Bad geologist. No, geologist. It's G, not A. Geologist Eigo sensei. Oh, you're laughing.
I don't know. I don't think you can make it.
Oh.
Harder than that.
You don't think I can make it?
I don't think you can.
I don't think I can make it.
You gotta hit a duck, though, at least.
There's no way I'm gonna hit a duck. Dude, they're fire.
Oh, you got it, Victor? I got it. You got it.
You got a duck?
I missed it.
No, you got it.
No, but like this
Alright,
is
here we
like
go.
fucking huge.
Nope. 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 No. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, that's. I didn't. Oh, oh.
Okay, I got it.
No, that's why you gotta be ambidextrous when you're jerking off. You gotta use left and right. Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
Although if you haven't been using your left, it'll be like, you know, a stranger's doing it.
Walk farm again? Oh my god, that's pretty steep.
All right, there. Up there.
Oh, okay, yeah, that looks like Andrew.
Looks like Andrew.
That's the one. I thought he was being a little bitch, but he's right. That is pretty steep.
You're gonna have him dead?
This rock climb.
That's pretty steep.
Holy shit. Oh shit. Oh god. Shit.
There you go.
I'll fall apart.
Y'all are bitches.
You're gonna have him dead?
Just book it. Just book it. Dude, just book it.
Oh, we all going down? Fuck, now I'm the little bitch. I am not wearing the right shoes for this, fuck.
None of us are, only Andrew.
Yeah.
Just stay low, stay low.
If you stay low like I
Stay
did,
low,
it'll
you'll
be
be
okay.
fine. Stay low.
If you want, turn around. Face the other way,
Just
dude.
stay lower, dude. Stay lower. You fall forward.
It's okay, man. I'm a fucking geologist. I've done this before. I know how to play it safe. And then I'm gonna eat my shit. Watch. Perfect. I'm the little bitch now.
Okay. Okay. Yep.
Fine. We can do whatever you want.
Hey guys, relax. Hey guys.
This is where the rape's going. I think right here.
Is there? Okay.
Shit.
Oh,
It smells like shit.
Oh, thank you. Oh, how sweet.
Hi. Hi. But we're gonna use them iron situation.
Oh shit, these are my pajama pants too. I'm gonna sleep in my boxers then. Going to the beach tomorrow. Gonna drink some mead. Oh, that's a nice outcrop. Very nice. Yeah. Yeah. There's the shit. We made it. The hike is done.
Oh shit!
And the hike is done, guys.
Let's end it up in a high note.
Okay.
Let's end it up in a hard note.
Okay.
Get a little closer. Get really closer. Get really closer. Very close. Very close. Super close.
No.